Hey guys, welcome. So using your Monzo card is straightforward and packed with features to enhance your banking experience. And here's a comprehensive guide to help you get started. So firstly, once you receive your Monzo debit card, open the Monzo app and follow the on-screen instructions to activate it. Transfer money into your Monzo account via bank transfer or by receiving payments from others. Use your Monzo card for contactless payments, chip and PIN transactions, or online purchases wherever MasterCard is accepted. Also withdraw cash from ATMs. In the UK and EEA, withdrawals are fee-free. Outside of EEA, you can withdraw up to £200 every 30 days for free. Beyond that, 3% fee applies. In terms of using the card abroad, spend abroad without additional fees. Monzo passes on MasterCard's exchange rates directly to you. When given the option, always choose to pay in the local currency to avoid extra charges from dynamic currency conversion. So that's pretty much how to use this card. In terms of the security and support as well, you can get instant notifications for all transactions, helping you detect any unauthorized activity. Also, they have 24 customer support to help you and assist you in anything you might need. And that's pretty much it. Feel free to explore the Monzo app further and discover more features tailored to your banking needs. Guys, enjoy. Hopefully you have fun paying with the card, and see you next time.